Come on, Luce. We made it to the hole. Whew.
Hi, Lucy. Come on.
She loves going after snowballs. She doesn't know what to do with them. Watch. You ready? Go get it. Hey, what are you doing?
Snow's a little deep, Lucy.
You got it? Bring it to Daddy.
Where did it go? Where's the snowball?
Oh. You don't know. She doesn't know what happens to it.
It disappeared.
Huh?
It disappears.
Hey, that's right up, Mama. Oh!
Why, Lucy?
Come on, get over here. What are you doing down there? I'm hiding. Bye, Lucy.
Ooh, I almost fell out the window.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing over here? That's my good girl.
Come on, Lucy.
Look at the shed.
Oh, hiding spot.
You videoing us, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Keep watching us. Right? Hold on. It's getting a little cold. Yeah. Come on, Luce.
Gone. They're gone. They fell in the hole. I think I see a head. Yep. They're alive. The daddy's having more fun than the kids in the snow.